Hi, it's Dorothy Tannahill-Moran, certified sound therapist. This is a wonderful sound, isn't it? You know, this week when I was doing a sound bath meditation, I had a person come up to me afterwards and ask whether or not one of these bowls actually helped with tinnitus. The reason being is because this person had tinnitus, and my answer was, well, yeah, in fact, that's true. And the reason why he asked is because one of them honed in on the resonant sound of his particular frequency. And it turns out that it's this one. This particular frequency is very good to help moderate the sound of your tinnitus. I bet you didn't think about that, did you? But it does.